One small mistake in your server room could cost your business hours of downtime. Here are 5 mistakes you should never ignore.
Messy cables and poor airflow create dangerous hotspots, making your servers overheat and reducing their lifespan.
Second, overloading your rack and using unreliable power equipment can lead to unexpected failures and expensive downtime. Without monitoring and the right rack, small issues can quickly become major failures. Overloading your rack puts stress on both equipment and infrastructure, increasing the chance of unexpected failures.
Protect your IT infrastructure with reliable server rack solutions from DataRack Technologies. Build smarter. Stay online.